Right, today I'm going to show you how to wash your dress shirts or your Aloha shirts effectively. This is a hack that you're going to want to watch and know for future. All right, so right here I have two different things. I have Shout Triple Action Stain Remover and also have OxyClean Max Force. Now these are stain removers, but when it comes to dress shirts, you all know that the stained part, the worst part that gets dirty is the armpits. So what I'm going to show you is I'm going to take the shirt and I'm going to open it up. Now I have two different kinds. They both work pretty well. Okay, so you can take this right here. I'm going to start out with the Shout Triple Action. It says removes stains the first time, and I'm going to show you what I do. So here is the pit. All right. So with this, I'm going to spray the pit. Now, the reason why I'm spraying the pit is because there are oils and bacteria and things inside of this area right here. Now, what this does, it breaks down the oils from your body, carbohydrates, proteins from your body that are inside of the pit. When it breaks this down, breaks all of the carbohydrates, the proteins, and the fats down, the bacteria has nothing to eat. So I'm going to spray this area right here. So I'm going to spray this. So there's enzymes inside of this. I'm just going to spray the pit area. And you see that I'm spraying it generously around the entire area, not just directly in the pit, because sometimes you sweat and it extends. Now doing this, I'm going to let it get soaking wet right on the pits. Okay, so I have that part. And then on this one, I'm just going to use the OxyClean Max Force just to show you that it's not just one brand that can do this. Any of the stain removers that you see in the store can actually do this. So I'm spraying the pit. Looks like this one's almost out. Spraying it generously in the pit area. Go ahead, that ran out. I'm just going to finish it off with the Shout Triple Action. Just spray this. And now that it's sprayed, I'm going to let this soak. Now, the longer you let it soak, the better. This is soaked pretty well right here. So I can let this soak a couple hours, overnight, 24 hours. But I tend to let my shirts soak for several days with this to make sure that the enzymes get broken down. The enzymes break down the fats, carbohydrates, and fats. So I'm going to let this soak, and then I'll continue on to show you how I continue this cleaning of a dress shirt or Aloha shirt. Stay tuned. All right, so now that I've let them soak, I'm going to put them inside of the washing machine. And I'm going to use Woolite. This is Woolite Delicates, no harsh ingredients in there. So I'm going to shut that and then put Woolite. I have to put the compartment in there. I'm just going to add some Woolite. I'm not going to put too much in there because there is some soap action with the spray that I sprayed on there. I'm going to shut this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that back onto place right here. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to turn this on, and then I am going to change it to, or set it to delicate, which is on cold right here, low right here, and then I'm going to put it on light just for that, because they're not heavily soiled. I'm going to put it on light, and then I'm going to just start it just like that. All right, and that's how you do it. After this, I'm going to put it up, hang it up to dry. Thanks a lot for watching.